land is away. One rhythm, many paths. This is Ghana.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, you're very welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video, because on this channel, we're always exploring real places across Ghana. Sometimes we're walking, sometimes we're driving, but one thing is constant. We show you the real streets, the real people, and the everyday life as it happens. So you're not just watching, you're actually experiencing the place with me. But before we get into today's walk, let's talk about something real quick. There's been a lot going on with the Black Stars lately. After that 2-1 loss to Germany, the FA made a big decision. They've parted ways with coach Otto Addo. And honestly, everywhere you go right now, online, in town, conversations on the street, people are talking about it. With just around 70 plus days to the World Cup, it's a very big moment for the team. From what the FA president explained, the decision came after reviewing the team's recent performances and thinking about the bigger picture ahead of the tournament. So now the big question is, where do we go from here? Who should be the next coach to lead the Black Stars? Some names are already being mentioned, but I want to hear your thoughts. Do you think this was the right decision? And who would you like to see take over? Drop your opinion in the comments, and don't forget to add your name and where you're watching from. I always enjoy seeing that. Alright, now let's get into today's video. Right now I'm somewhere in Accra, but I'm not going to tell you exactly where we are just yet. If you know this place well, you'll definitely recognize it. So pay close attention. The streets, the buildings, the traffic, the people, even the small details, everything is a clue. Can you guess this location before the video ends? And tell me what you spotted that gave it away. Let's see who really knows Ghana. Alright, relax, take it all in. Enjoy the view. Let's go.
Morning light finds the streets. The day breaks, the land comes alive. Day begins without a rush. Biribiara Kodinya Huyete. Stars open one by one. Ajuma reko so kakra kakra. Life moves steady, calm and sure. Abraboye din newa hodin. Voices rise, then settle down. Kaibo sorry ne samba fam. Familiar sounds fill the air. Bekamele ame. Nothing forced, nothing staged. Shikemli, Bokoni, just people living everywhere. Nipanina, bebiara. This is Ghana. Yeah, Ghana, Ghana, ni slow and strong. Dinna warden. This is Ghana. This is Ghana.
Sikano wo hon so person this ka. Ruku emi o. Ana jema da se o wa kan to ko. Ana mo wa. Ẹ̀yẹ́ mo di ọ̀rọ̀. Juwade!